Hey, yeah, welcome to our project called Only. You own your creativity and register your IP. This is the future of ownership. Registering your intellectual property using Story Protocol. It's totally built for creators, YouTubers, Instagram creators, and all digital artists. So to get started, just connect your wallet. Once your wallet is connected, you can also connect your Google account, which is attached to your creator profile on YouTube. Once you've done that, you'll be navigated to My IPS. Here you can see the IPS that I've already created before. You can register your YouTube channel ID here if it's new, but since I've already done that, let's move forward. You can also add a new IP. Just paste the YouTube URL. And if you are the owner, it will show that you can enter the license type, royalty percentage, and other details. When I click Register IP, it triggers the on-chain transaction, and once completed, it's successfully registered. You can see the success message confirming that the IP is now registered on-chain. Now, going back to the dashboard, you can see that our newly registered IP is visible there. If you try to add the same IP again, it will show that it's already registered. Duplicates are not allowed. Even if you are the owner, you can't add the same IP twice. If you try to paste another creator's video URL, it will show that you are not the owner. It fetches the data online. It knows your email and compares it with the creator's email using the API, and then matches the result. You can also connect with different accounts, change from one account to another, and update your wallet address and email. Once you've done that, if you try to add an IP that doesn't belong to you, it will clearly indicate that you're not the owner. You can also verify your IP ownership using the Verify IP feature. Now, I'm switching back to the same account. Here we can see the recently created IP. For this IP, we can create a license token. A license token allows someone else to buy a license to use your IP. I'm setting the license price to 1 with a minimum fee of zero point 0.1. Clicking Mint, and yes, it successfully minted the license token. You can see it displayed here now. Next, we move on to paying royalties. You can pay royalty fees to that license. If the IP is a derivative, you can also create one by clicking Create Derivative. For example, I'm creating a sample derivative, giving it a title Remix of this project, adding a short description, pasting the same sample URL, and setting the license term ID. When I click Register Derivative, it gets registered successfully. You can see the new derivative created, the remix we just added. Everything is recorded on-chain. You can check the transaction details here. You can also see previous transactions and previously registered IPS. This is our new one, and you can see the derivative listed here as well. In the revenue section, someone can pay you for your intellectual property assets. They just enter the IP, the amount, and click Pay Royalty. Boom! It's paid successfully. You can see that the amount has been transferred to your account. For example, 1 token was transferred successfully. You can also claim revenue. For instance, if you claim zero point 0.5 as revenue, the transaction will be shown here as a claim revenue entry. It confirms that the transaction was successfully completed. You can also view all your license transactions, license tokens, and program IP license tokens. This shows how our program works. You can register new IPS, create derivatives or license tokens, and also earn revenue from them. Yeah, thank you.